Martinelli with MarineMax Russo here in Boston, Massachusetts, and today we're on the 2017 Azimut 42 Flybridge. This boat we just took in trade. It's a one-owner boat and only has 80 hours. Starting in the aft, you've got a hydraulic swim platform. Back here you've got storage along with the refrigerator, electric grill, and freshwater sink. You'll notice the entire cockpit along the platform is all real teak. Here in the aft, you've got a nice overhang, LED lights above it, plenty of storage, and as well as seating here in the cockpit. Engine room access is below us. This boat is a Flybridge. Theo will take you up and he'll show you there's full controls, joystick, along with autopilot and plenty of seating. Moving into the salon, this boat has a ton of natural light, as you can see, from both port and starboard windows. You've got great seating here with storage below, opening dinette table, plenty of storage here on the port side, along with all custom Azimut plates, silverware. You'll notice your flat screen TV. Here at the lower helm mirrors the upper helm with another screen, autopilot, joystick, full controls, as well as your Mercury Smartcraft. Moving down 2 steps port side, you've got a full galley, you've got a 2-burner range here, hideaway microwave, hideaway refrigerator, and a hot and cold sink here. Full controls for all of your AC and DC panel is here. Very accessible. Coming down 1 step, starboard side, you've got a beautiful guest stateroom, 2 bunks, flat screen TV, as well as hull side windows, making it no dungeon. Here you've got your day head starboard, and this has a vacuum flush Tecma toilet, as well as a separate shower stall here. Moving forward is your master, and you've got a full-size berth here, opening portholes port and starboard. And you have a hanging closet, again, both port and starboard, as well as another flat screen TV here. And here on the port side is your master head. Again, separate shower, Tecma vacuum flush toilet. Again, we're aboard the 2017 pre-owned 42 Azimut Flybridge. It's here in Boston, Massachusetts, and you can reach me anytime at 401-569-3874. Thanks again for joining us.